Hey guys, mod number 17 on the rig build. We've got the Kaon table from the 2019, transferring it over to 2022 Prado. And of course, normally you're meant to, mark it and line it up and drill holes and all this sort of thing. And we're a bit crazy. This is all sort of here ready to go. So like I did with the cage, I've got the impact driver to slowly drill in the screws. There's 4 self-tappers each side. Comes with instructions from Kaon. See, kaon.com.au. Anyway, we're going to just hold it in position. I've got my assistant. Mitch, you here to help? He's not saying much, shrugging his shoulders. I don't know, mate. Mitch, you here to help?
No.
No? Oh, okay. Anyway, so what we're going to do, we're just going to hold it up in position here and we're going to put the screws in. Looks like I could be doing it on my own. Let's see how Bada bing, there it is, mod number 17. The rear table is on, and yeah, crazy as it was, we just held it up there and we screwed and drilled it in there. So you can see the alignment there. It just goes to show how much flexibility they've got, because we've got a bit of a gap there. Not that nobody's looking at the gap. You can adjust it actually. You can loosen these screws. They've got a bit of adjustment in them, but let's see, does it work? Bada bing, it folds up and down, right? Happy days. The main thing is that it works. So we've got the cage on. That was mod number 17. So in case you missed it, bada bing, kaon.com.au, rear door table and the storage cage. And of course the little chopping board. You get them from Kaon. It's a little IKEA chopping board, I think, and they make the little hooks so that it hooks in, and some people just put, like, I think you can fit 3 or 4 across there. I don't go any closer to the edge than that because it's got to fold up and that's got to make contact about there. So I think 1, 2, 3, if you ask me, 3 would be the number that you'd need if you wanted to put timber there. Thanks for watching, guys. That's mod 17. I'm out of here. Ciao.